All right, it's been a productive morning or day. Front suspension is pretty much done. Upper and lower control arms, coilovers, the big fat sway bar. I'll probably, I still have to set ride height once there's weight on it and everything. No, I'm not going to put Willwood brakes on the front. It's already got front disc brake conversion, and I don't need to spend another $2,000. But anyways, I'll probably work some more on the rack setup. There's not much I can do because the engine's not in, and you know, these lines go to the pump, and I'll do that once it's in. But I have the tilt Flaming River column that I could work on. I also need to get the dial indicator to measure the runout on the bell housing, so that it's within 0.005 of an inch for the Tremec TKX, or they won't warranty it. So that's easy enough. But once I get those little doodads out of the way, I can put the engine and transmission in, and then I'm literally gonna rock and roll on the body. Well, I have to order a new drive shaft once I measure that distance. But yeah, that's it.